Can AI trading bots really make money for you, or is it just hype? In this video, I will explain how actually work in the simplest way possible. An AI trading bot is a program that analyzes the market and places trades automatically. It can run 24/7 without emotions, no fear, no greed. How it works? Step 1. The bot analyzes data, price charts, indicators, and sometimes news. Step 2. It generates a signal, buy or sell. Step 3. It executes the trade automatically. And step 4. It manages the trade using stop loss and take profit. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Most trading bots do not work long term. Markets change and strategies stop working. So if you think a bot will make money for you automatically, that's a mistake. There are three main types of bots. Simple bots like Grid or DCA bots, these are not real AI. Semi-AI tools, they help you analyze, but you decide. Full AI bots, fully automated, but rare and risky. Here are some popular platforms that offer trading bots. 3Commas, good for automation and copy trading. Pionix, beginner-friendly with built-in bots. CryptoHopper, strategy marketplace, and TrendSpider, advanced analysis tools. Most beginners make these mistakes, expecting passive income, using bots without testing, ignoring risk management, and believing unrealistic win rates. The smartest way to use AI in trading is not to replace yourself, but to use it as a tool to support your decision. AI trading bots can help, but they won't make you rich automatically. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.